Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will talk about Surah Kawthar, the 108th chapter of the Quran. Surah Kawthar, despite its brevity, holds significant importance in Islam. Revealed to Council Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during a period of intense opposition and mockery from his enemy in Makkah. The surah highlights the importance of gratitude to Allah for His countless blessings, reminding believers to focus on the divine favor rather than worldly destruction or the negativity of others. Let's move on to the translation.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Indeed, we have granted you, O Muhammad, Al-Kawthar. So pray to your Lord and offer sacrifice to Him alone. Indeed, your enemy is the one cut off. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim.
See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.